I love working at LTK because of the family and the culture that we all create together.
Being able to share my voice, I think, is the number one thing.
One of the things closest to my heart is all of the snacks that are provided.
A very welcoming environment that felt like home the second that I walked in.
I've always found that people have an open ear to hear suggestions and improvement.
All the lunches, all the happy hours.
You can grow the people on your team because they can share a voice. They can be in a room and share ideas that they have.
Coffee bars, breakfast.
And that collaboration is encouraged and not put down.
It's nice to feel a little bit spoiled when you come to work.
I've never worked anywhere that's been nearly as collaborative or as fast-paced or as exciting as LTK.